In today's environment, the safe and secure transport of highly regulated healthcare products has never been more important. That's why UPS Healthcare Cold Chain, including our clinical trials operation Markin, is investing in a stronger, more sophisticated, more customizable solution for every inch of your cold chain. We help each product get delivered on time, at the right temperature, and in the right condition. To accomplish this, we've created a visibility platform that spans storage, bulk, and small parcel shipments all across the world to provide you with unparalleled monitoring and control of your products. Making this happen takes a team of experts who are good at logistics, really good. That's how we've built a transportation infrastructure that's precise, productive, scalable, and smart. As a result, UPS Healthcare Cold Chain enables our customers with an end-to-end portfolio of temperature-controlled logistics solutions, available wherever and whenever you need them. Our global network includes millions of square feet of healthcare-licensed warehouses and GMP facilities equipped to manage cold chain storage. Whether your products require 2 to 8, -20, or -80 temperatures, we can help meet your storage needs. We know that temperature deviations and excursions can impact your products. That's why we provide temperature-controlled services and packaging that help your products maintain their proper temperature profiles throughout their entire in-transit journey. And backing all this is our best-in-class quality management system and a team of over 230 quality experts who help safeguard the integrity of your products. We can produce thousands of pounds of dry ice per hour, which together with other temperature-controlled services help keep certain products like mRNA vaccines at the right temperature. In fact, throughout the global COVID-19 pandemic, our UPS Healthcare Cold Chain network delivered more than 1 billion doses of the vaccine, each at the critically important temperatures required, to over 100 countries, all with a 99.9% on-time delivery rate. We use the latest GPS track and trace technology, as well as temperature-controlled packaging with advanced phase change materials. We also offer solutions for temperature ranges with different durations using active or passive containers. UPS Healthcare Cold Chain gives you the global network, capabilities, and scale to help solve all your cold chain challenges. We can give you peace of mind all along the chain, from point of manufacturer to the lab, clinic, hospital, doctor, and patient. UPS Healthcare, quality-focused, patient-driven.